In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Shinobi, Shinja, right on Hotbit right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. It just got listed December 17th, which is today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, the trading pair we're going to be looking at is Shinja/NUSD. So we're going to go ahead and click on market, and we're going to type in Shinja to make sure it's there. We just got listed today. So I'm going to type in Shinja, and I'm going to see if it pops up. It does pop up. So I'm going to click on there, Shinja Shibnobi. Now, here's the thing. Here is the trading pair. Shinja/NUSD is right there. And it's also right here where you'll end up purchasing it. You see it right there. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead and do, you want to go ahead and add funds to your actually wallet or your information. So we don't want to go click on my funds, and here you want to go ahead and use the USDT. But here's the thing. When you deposit USDT, you want to deposit money into that. So you want to click on fiat, and you click on the amount, let's say $100, click on submit, and then from there, let me click on I agree, click on submit, and then it's going to redirect you to a form where you'll go ahead and make the purchase right here. Click on English at the top, let's see, English, and then you'll go ahead and fill this information out and make the purchase, just like that. Once you made the USD purchase, you put the money in USDT, you'll come back to my fund, and you see NUSD, you go here, you exchange, and then you will switch whatever USD you had, and you will go ahead and you'll exchange it for NUSD. So the first thing we did was we deposit USDT. That's the first thing you do, deposit it. And then the next thing we want to do is exchange it from USDT to NUSDT. Click on confirm. Then you want to do is go back to market, and you want to go back there and let me see, go ahead, Shinja. This is a way you can get back in there. Obviously, click on the symbol there, the coin, the token. It's actually more of a token now, and here shows the actually pricing and the 24-hour change, 24-hour high. Then you see that in USDT. So the next thing you want to do is click on one of these, and then when you swap into NUSDT, you will be able to go ahead and purchase it just like this. So if I click on one of these prices here, and then from here, I can buy Shinja. That's all you do. That's all you do there. That's all you do. Here's the fees right here. Here is the pay fee as well. And this is it. That's all. Swapping USDT to NUSDT. Coming back here, you'll see your balance, which you have here. Remember, we didn't make the deposit here. So deposit says zero balance because we did not make the purchase. But when you go ahead and do that, you can do that. You should see a balance there. And then you'll be able to swap it just like this by clicking on Buy Shinja. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. They do have an any help button. So if you click on there, Hotbit does have a customer support line, so you should be able to answer any of your questions right here. Determines deposit withdrawal, exchange information, and other things. So if you do get lost and confused, use the Hotbit customer support here for more information. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.